two-way app, connect with AI avatars, chat with visual characters. This is a new app. It's right now has really few reviews. I don't know whether this is legit app or some, scammy Chinese app, but here you have it. New era of AI chat is here. Say goodbye to text and chat in real time. Use fictional, historical, and celebrity holo avatars in a safe and secure environment. Welcome to two-way, where human connection is reimagined in the age of AI. Create your digital twin. Use your phone camera and the two-way app to create your unique AI avatar. This immersive virtual environment allows you to make and chat with a digital twin. Your AI avatar can look like you, talk like you, and even share the same memories. Just with other avatars, give AI a face. Safety comes first. So here you can just double click to install it. You can just see some preview. The app is 650 megabytes, so you need to have a lot of storage for that. So here it downloaded. Let's just open it up and let's try to create an account. Let's try to register, and here you need to have standard registration like username, pass, email address, invitation code optional. So now here.
Welcome to Tuwa, the Avatar social network. Hey, how's it going?
So that basically now it's kind of like character AI or anything, but just with these avatars. Okay, so this is your avatar. And then you can just chat. So that's kind of the idea.
Hi, I'm Alina, your digital teammate from Two-Way. I'm here to organize, encourage, and make room for what matters.
So that's basically the idea, how you can see it. Your block lists. You can also create your own avatar, update current avatar. So yeah, that's basically what you have.